Good morning, children. So today I will be explaining for class 9. Today we are going to learn about this writing skills, that is about diary entry, how you have to enter the details in a diary. First of all, learn the difference between a diary and a diary. I hope you know about it. Today it is diary entry. In your class 9 and 10, you have one diary entry question for 5 marks. And it is quite easy because diary entry, what is that one? It is our personal jottings. See, today what happened? We maintain a diary. Nowadays, children, you don't have a diary. During my time and all, we used to maintain a diary, and then after 10 years, 15 years, we take over the photos, we see what we have written there, and then we recollect, we can understand, we become more mature. And so this diary, so that's called, you all might have seen a diary. So daily write the date, and then that day what happened, they used to write it here. And this one, see the spelling, it is diary. Diary, D-I-A-R-Y, and this is D-A-I-R-Y, diary. This is milk and milk products, the dairy products, Amul butter, you might have heard about it. So diary is diary, D-A-I, and this one is D-I-A. In diary entry, the mark is spread out for mentioning the date first of all. For example, today what is the date? Okay, it's 4. So how do I write it? What is the day today? Day is Monday. On the right hand corner, we write Monday 4. Which month is it? May 2020. So if you don't write the day also, it is okay. You can write it in different formats, but you are writing it for the examination to get more marks. Usually in our diary, we don't write the year, we don't write the date also, because you might have seen each and every page, it will have the date mentioned here, 4-5 or 5-5, like that is mentioned, or some they will have a space for filling in the dates. But this is an examination, we usually write Monday, 4th May, and sometimes we don't write 20 also, because we know when we start from January, that is for the year 2020. Once you write it, then till the next year we leave it like that. But like I told you, it is for the examination. Our aim is to get more marks by writing less and by making less mistakes. So first of all, you have to write. When you write this one, you get 1 to 1.5 marks. Now, diary entry, it is quite easy because the formal English is not required there. You can write it in informal English. Diary is, like I told you, it is our personal jotting. Today what happened, we are recollecting in the evening time and then writing it there. So the first thing is, the first advantage is that you don't have to write in full sentences. Like for example, diary entry. Yesterday what happened? Today being Sunday, what did I did not go to school. Then my uncle visited. See, my uncle had visited. You don't have to mention that. You can just write like breakup sentences. My uncle visited my home. I had a good time with my cousins. Just 2 or 3 sentences. So it should be related to that one. You should not write like I called Narendra Modi ji, but he did not pick up the phone and all. That is hi-fi. Sometimes you just write about your dreams, your things and all those things. That day, what happened? So before writing, all you have to do is to think. Never, when you see the question, immediately don't start writing. That is the main problem. Because immediately when you start writing, your brain gets stuck up. So 2 to 3 sentences only. Before itself you plan, before start writing. What is that? Today is Sunday. So what is that? Yesterday's we are writing here. That is why I mentioned the Sunday here. Date I have mentioned here as Monday. Today's date. Okay, today we will imagine it is this one. So we don't keep on writing like that. Today is Monday, because already we have mentioned it here. Today is Sunday or things like that. But still, why I wrote here today being Sunday is that Sunday means it is a very good day, jolly day for all the children throughout the world, because they don't have to go to school. I know you are also smiling because Sunday, it makes everybody happy, even the teachers. even the government employees, because they get one day off, they can enjoy with their family. So that is why I mentioned it here. If it is some other day, if you don't mention or it's okay, already plan it. 3 sentences, what you are going to write, what happened there. Or if you are not getting any ideas, you can just write there. Today was a holiday, so I slept and lazed around. I did not do any work. I enjoyed my break. So you can just write 2 or 3 sentences like that. So as an activity, what you are doing is you just mention today's date and then do one diary entry. The main thing is you have to mention the date in the right hand corner and write 2 or 3 sentences. Actually, they expect you to write 5 sentences. But don't worry if you are able to write. I will not be giving any notes for this because you have to write and practice. Writing makes you perfect. It makes your handwriting also good. So when you get time, you can just practice that one because daily, day by day, what happens, you will be learning at least 1 word. Is it clear? And thank you very much. So diary entry, I won't give you a special question. All you have to do is write one diary entry for today.